This is Corey Watson with another video. I have um I'm gonna show you all DC comic toy review. DC comic supervillains. I forgot to put superheroes on the other side about that. But never mind. And I forgot to write toys to make it plural. Have allergies. So don't I have allergies. That's all I'm gonna say. I just have allergies. Don't look at me like that. Look at the camera. Okay, so I'm gonna show you all the DC supervillains I have. So yeah, you might have seen them before in Skylander videos, why they are fighting the Skylanders and stuff. Some you didn't really see them from those videos, but whatever. So yeah, let's start with the smallest ones. And then the biggest. This is medium, so yeah. So yeah, this is Gorilla Grodd. Yup, Gorilla Grodd. Yup. Gorilla Grodd is awesome. He's also another McDonald's figure. He came with Robin and Batman too. So yeah. He's an enemy to the Flash. He got his mind controlling helmet. And I like the pose that he's doing. He looks awesome. And he's one of the strong villains too. And also super smart also. So yeah. Gorilla Grodd is also awesome too. Yeah. He's a genius also. A super genius, what I meant. Next we have the Riddler. He holds a staff. He holds a question staff and he has question on his chest. I like they put on the color green and purple for the question. And Gorilla Grodd has this nice gold helmet right here. His mind controlling helmet. He can mind control people. And they painted his chest. And they did the fur on him too. He looks awesome. Those are just a little bit scratches on there. And then we have the Lord. My cousin gave this to me. The Riddler. So yeah, he's another awesome villain. So yeah, the Riddler is another awesome villain. And then we have Captain Boomerang. He throws boomerangs around. Oh yeah, right, sorry. Okay, Captain Boomerang is also cool. He has a boomerang ring around him and he attach it with boomerangs. He has a scarf, a blue shirt, and a blue jacket, black shoes and black pants, black gloves, and he's holding a boomerang so he could throw it at somebody. His hat and a boomerang symbol on it. So yeah, I do like this Captain Boomerang, and he also came with the small Flash that I have too. And Captain Boomerang was with him too. And next we have, okay, his name is, I'm not sure about his name, but my brother says call him Deathstorm because you watch comic videos and stuff too. I watch comic videos also, but I don't really know a lot about this guy. But he's similar to Firestorm. I thought he had ice powers, but no, he always had fire powers. So yeah, his name is Deathstorm. He's white and black, has like blue hair, like blue fire, and he has a skeleton-like face. He has this kind of pose, and he looks cool and awesome. And I forgot the pose ability. Captain Boomerang could move his arm all the way, and move his other arm all the way, and his waist too a little, and his head a little too. Thank you. And then we have Deathstorm. He looks awesome. He has this symbol on his chest and the back. So yeah, he looks awesome. And he also came with Firestorm too. So yeah. He could move his arm all the way. He could move this arm a little. He could move his head all the way. His waist all the way. So yeah. Deathstorm is another cool villain that I have. Now next, the Joker. Yup, the Joker. This is from the Batman movie. And this is the Batman movie Joker that I first got. So yeah. Alright, so he has a purple jacket, green button-up shirt, purple pants, brown shoes, brown gloves, green hair, white face, red lips, black eyes, because he's evil. Okay, that's enough. Sorry. Yeah. And also he has posability as well. He can move his arms all the way, bend them. He can move his legs a little and bend the knees. He could twist his head a little. That's it, just a little. So yeah, he's another cool, awesome figure that I have. The Joker. Well, another villain that I have. An action figure villain that I have. Now next we have Lex Luthor. Lex Luthor. So yeah, he's awesome. He in his suit, his armor suit that season. So yeah, he looks awesome. I like how they did the paint. Purple, green, and yellow on the chest. It looks awesome. He could, in opposability, he can move his arms all the way, bend the elbows, move his head a little, and move the legs. That's it. And the waist all the way. So yeah, he's also another awesome figure that I have. Lex Luthor. He's in his armor suit with kryptonite in it for Superman. So yeah, it's cool also. Then we're going into Batman Unlimited. So yeah. So here we have the Joker again. He supposed to be coming. He comes with a big hammer, but I need to find it. I lost it somewhere. So yeah, he has a purple vest, a blue shirt. Pink shirt, pink pants, black boots, and he has two hammers with him too. And his hair, and the long nose, and the teeth. This Joker has. So yeah, he has hammers that I just told you guys. The flower symbol, the purple vest, pink shirt and pink pants, and the green hair. It's a little bit messy, and the sharp teeth, and the red lipstick, and the long nose. He looks awesome, definitely awesome. So now his posability: move his arm all the way, bend the elbows, move his legs, and bend the knees. That's all his posability. And he's another awesome figure, just to mind you. So next we have is Scarecrow, and this time he holds a weapon. It's like some kind of sickle. I don't know what they call this weapon, but it looks awesome. It has a skeleton symbol on it. It looks creepy and awesome. This is Scarecrow's weapon that he uses to slice down heroes and stuff. So yeah, and this is Scarecrow. He looks awesome. Design looks awesome. I know the first design in Batman, the animated series, wasn't that good, but till later on, he made him a little bit more scarier. So yeah, he could move his arms all the way, bend the elbows, move his head a little, just very little, move the legs, bend the knee, and also Joker's head. He can move it a little as well, not all the way. So yeah, next we have this. Actually, this. This is Man Bat. Batman Unlimited. So yeah, he looks nice in the back. They made the fur for him. It looks nice, and I lost one of his wings. Sorry, he has the black belt, the purple whip pants, the ears. He looks awesome. Man Bat. He can move his arm all the way 360, and he could swivel the arm. He could move the legs and bend them, and he could move the head just a little. So yeah, he could fly. Man-Bat is another awesome villain. He looks cool. His design looks awesome. So yeah, I am done for now. I'm out of time. See you guys later. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel.